Hey guys, welcome back to this tutorial, and today we are going to learn how to work with constraint layout in Android. So constraint layout allows or makes it easy for us to create a complex view. So I'm going to start by showing you how we can be able to position a view at the center of the activity using constraint layout. So we are going to drag this text view, and then I'm going to drag it to the center. So as you can see from the attribute, this view says it's not horizontally constrained and not vertically constrained. So as you can see, each corner of my view has a handle. So I'm going to pull this handle and constrain it to the parent end. I'm also going to pull this handle to the parent end. I'm going to pull this one to the parent, and I'm going to constrain it also to the bottom. Okay, let me pull this one. So as you can see, our view is centered or horizontally and vertically centered. So from our attribute, we can say start of parent, this is here, and end of parent, that is here, top of parent here, bottom of parent, that is here. So you might need to add some margin between your view and your parent. So just come here and then select 16, and then you might add some light margin 16. So as you can see, you have 16 to the top, maybe you want 16, and also to the bottom you want 16. You can play with some bias here. You can pull it more to the right or more to the left. We are going to leave it to the center, that is 50. I'm going to add another view, and I'm going to constraint it between our first text view. So I'm going to pull another text view, add it here, so this view says it's not horizontally constrained, it's not vertically constrained. So we are going to constraint it. So I'm going to pull from here, constraint to the parent, and I'm going to constraint here to the parent. I'm going to pull it and constraint it to my first view, and I'm going to constrain it to my parent. So as you can see, this view is constrained at the center of text view and parent. So I'm also going to add a margin between this one and parent. So I'm going to start by this one. I'm going to add 16. This one I'm going to add 16. I'm going to add 16, and here I'm going to add 16. You can leave it like that, or you can just add some margins at the end. So let's rename this one, and I'm going to say text view 2. So I'm going to add another text view here, and I want to constrain it between the parent and text view 2, and parent to the top and bottom to my initial text view. So as you can see, it's constrained to my first text view, second text view, and to the parent. So I'm going to add some margin. So I'm going to give this one 16, and this one I'm going to give it 16, and also top I'm going to give it 16. So this one I'm going to rename it to text view 3. Then I'm also going to have a button, and I want this button to be constrained to the bottom, center bottom. So I'm going to constrain it here, I'm going to constrain it here, and then I'm going to make sure it's constrained to the parent bottom. So as you can see, bottom of parent, end and start. You can give it some margin, and here you can leave it to the bottom. So we are going to learn and see how our app is going to display this layout. So the app is going to install, It's now installing. As you can see here, Gradle is building, storing. There we are, installed successfully. So you have text view, we have 2, 3, and here we have our button. In our next tutorial, we are going to create a login and a register page using Constraint Layout so that we can learn more about Constraint Layout. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to learn more about Android development, subscribe for more tutorials.